At OneVision, we're committed to transforming the way businesses operate, offering comprehensive solutions that integrate data, streamline operations, and drive growth. Our platform is designed for adaptability and scalability, ensuring businesses are ready for the challenges of today and tomorrow. Now, let's talk about Pacific Coast Utility, a fictional company we created to illustrate the power of OneVision's platform. Imagine a utility provider facing complex challenges, increasing customer demands, the need for sustainable solutions, infrastructural upgrades, and rigorous regulatory requirements. Pacific Coast Utility, in our scenario, approached us to help them navigate these multifaceted demands. They needed to not only upgrade their existing systems but also wanted to harness the power of their data, improve customer satisfaction, and ensure compliance every step of the way. Enter OneVision. Our platform enabled Pacific Coast Utility to integrate disparate data streams, creating a single source of truth that's both reliable and accessible. While Pacific Coast Utility may be a fictional company, the challenges it faces are as real as they come for numerous enterprises. And OneVision is ready to turn those challenges into opportunities. Welcome, and thank you for taking the time to view our exclusive demo video for Pacific Coast Utility. We're excited to guide you through what we've been passionately working on at OneVision. Brace yourself for a groundbreaking transformation in the world of telecom, fiber optics and infrastructure management through the innovative Vision platform. The Vision platform with its pioneering linked record architecture. Imagine transcending the sluggish pace of traditional databases. The Vision platform redefines velocity and agility in data management through an avant-garde indexing system. Say goodbye to the constraints of conventional data tables. Our trackers offer unparalleled adaptability, simplifying updates like never before. Concerned about the complexities of coding? With Vision platform, those days are over. Experience a world with no SQL, no coding, just swift adaptable modifications. Custom designed for your needs. Delve into a realm of boundless customization, construct views, dashboards, and much more, all while molding the platform to your precise business requirements. Our linked record architecture stands for flexibility, speed, and infinite scalability. Altered data structures instantaneously import vast quantities of data without a hint of delay and expand without boundaries. In this era, propelled by the winds of data, ensure you sail with the finest tools at your helm. Uncomplicated, more intelligent, supremely effective. That's OneVision. Join us as we delve deeper into what this revolutionary platform means for your business. Imagine a future where power outages are a rarity, and our beautiful landscapes are no longer overshadowed by tangled wires. That future is on the horizon. Pacific Coast Utility is revolutionizing power distribution by transitioning 10,000 miles of lines underground, enhancing network resilience and preserving the natural beauty of our surroundings. More than a physical shift, it's a tech upgrade, leveraging advanced mapping for precise installations and inclusive construction management. This strategy cuts environmental impact, promoting sustainability. It's also cost-effective, with a goal to cut deployment costs by 33% by 2026. In collaboration with OneVision, this isn't just a challenge, it's an innovative leap, engaging all in building a more stable, affordable, and green energy future. Enter a realm where mastery defines excellence. Our solution isn't just a tool, it's your command center for construction, ensuring each task maximizes productivity. This approach eliminates costly do-overs, guaranteeing flawless, timely execution while cutting expenses without sacrificing quality. At its heart is a dedication to safety and smart operations, protecting stakeholders while maintaining performance. Our system empowers teams, refines operations, and enacts plans with groundbreaking efficacy. Experience streamlined, secure, and supremely efficient construction workflow management. Welcome to the future. Modernization isn't a leap but a series of deliberate steps. From planning to maintenance, each phase is a cog in the grid modernization machinery. Now, envision these phases as components in a system powered by business process modeling. OneVision turns this into reality, transforming work orders into crucial parts of an integrated whole. We begin cautiously, initiating one or two processes to ensure efficiency and compatibility. But these aren't just processes, they're the genesis of a model ripe for integration. This marks the beginning. Upon validation, the model adapts and merges with current systems, speeding up deployment and refining processes. It's a scalable framework designed to evolve with your expansion. Looking ahead, we see a continuous journey of modernization, with challenges as stepping stones and perpetual efficiency as our new standard. Looking at this diagram, we see OneVision's solution for Pacific Coast Utility. Reference architecture uniting utility systems with the Vision platform. Key modules like Survey 123 and AUD feed data into the integration hub, our core connector. This hub synchronizes field and back-office systems, linking with platforms like SAP, Oracle, and Maximo, and integrates with the Esri portal as well as the utility network, ARC, GIS, and SDE. Specialized systems such as AMI and OMS and ADMS connect here, emphasizing our holistic approach. Central to this is our integration hub, processing and routing data efficiently. This setup streamlines operations and centralizes tools for quick, coherent decision-making. Diving into the integration hub prototype, its streamlined work order system efficiently organizes resource assignment. Its compatibility with mobile devices enables instant updates anywhere, proving essential for dynamic professionals. The executive dashboard in project management is a game changer, offering immediate access to critical metrics and contributing to a notable 33% decrease in deployment costs, a drop from $3.75 million to $2.5 million. This cost-effectiveness, coupled with real-time reporting, enhances transparency and fiscal control. Integration Hub stands out with its precise contractor performance insights, affirming its efficacy. Overall, its targeted features establish it as a resilient, adaptable industry solution. Welcome to an immersive journey through our state-of-the-art vision platform. Picture this, a sleek landing page with a crisp menu to your left. And what's that shining at the top? Our favorites icon, beckoning for a click. Let's dive into the utility demo and unveil the use cases we're unraveling today. Let's dive into Create a Work Order. Clicking here reveals a grid of ready-to-use templates, each designed to fast-track the work order process by pre-filling data, while offering real-time customization. So, I'll hit Add, and choose Surface Drop as our template. Notice how the new screen is already filled out? That's our template at work. A quick Apply Now click clones this template, making every field editable for specific needs. As we scroll, unique fields catch the eye. Construction type lets us choose between options like underground or overhead, reflecting our project's demands. We also have categories like asset type, priority, and class, all adjustable to fine-tune our work order. In essence, this process isn't just about creating work orders, it's about ensuring each one fits our project's unique parameters. Behold the major reporting milestones, your compass in this vast schedule landscape. Craving more granularity? Click on Work Plan Tasks and be greeted with a detailed schedule and a Gantt chart, reminiscent of Microsoft Project. With 3 date pairs and interwoven tasks, visualize your golden path with ease. Journeying onward, we meet the project resources. Here's where the magic happens, assigning roles like construction managers, market managers, and more. Watch as your work order, birthed from the Service Drop template, comes alive with intricate details. Next, let's navigate back to the Favorites menu to explore our comprehensive work order list. This isn't just a repository of templates, it's a dynamic ledger of every work order we've initiated. At first glance, you'll recognize the familiar grid layout at the top, encompassing all essential details. Yet, there's more beneath the surface. This upper section catalogs every work order generated within the system, complete with specifics. What's fantastic is the user-driven customization of the columns. Presently, we're viewing this through a utility-centric lens, highlighting key field values. But as you pan across, you'll discover diverse data points, each adjustable to user preferences, ensuring a tailor-made experience for every job role. Now, let's direct our attention to the lower left quadrant. Here lies the utility work order information, responsive and dynamic, updating itself based on the selected row from our grid. It's a deep dive into asset locations, intricate details surrounding the circuits, and a transparent breakdown of costs and budgets corresponding to a selected work order, like PRJ010 here. Shifting focus to the bottom right, welcome to our task views. While the Gantt chart takes a backseat in this view, the spotlight is on the diverse tasks and their respective timelines. But there's more. Notice the color coding? These hues aren't just for appeal, they're communicative. Each shade provides an instant, visual status report indicating if tasks or milestones are ahead, on track, delayed, or completed. For instance, we're seeing a palette of progress here, each color decoded in our handy legend below. So, you see, every element in this view is more than meets the eye. It's a gateway to deeper, actionable insights. Ever wondered about the day-to-day grind? Enter the Work Log portal. It's here we track daily tasks, complete with start and end photos, latitudes, and longitudes. Picture a field worker snapping a photo at the start of their day, and the system automatically crunching the numbers. Efficiency at its finest. Ah, the mobile app. Not just a miniature version of our desktop wonder, but a streamlined tool for on-the-go updates. From checklists to questionnaires, it's all here in the palm of your hand. Let's shift gears and explore the broader applications of our mobile app, focusing particularly on the checklist tracker. This feature is instrumental in compiling and dispatching sets of questionnaires directly to our field services team. Imagine this: we're dealing with a trenching project. Our app allows us to construct a comprehensive checklist specifically for this task. A critical query on this list might be, has the safety inspection been completed? It's straightforward, requiring just a yes or no response. But the system's flexibility doesn't end there. Field staff can append crucial files or photographic evidence to substantiate their updates. These checklists aren't limited to binary questions, they're adaptable, accommodating various response types, each tied seamlessly into the overall status, highlighting whether an item has passed or failed. Notably, these evaluations aren't confined to field personnel. Managerial staff back at the office, or even the crew manager on site, can provide these assessments. What's more, the system meticulously records the data, tracking passes, fails, or any rejections for each item. This data isn't just raw numbers, it's a driving force for performance metrics, influencing contractor and crew completions alike, and can be configured based on our specific operational needs. So, you see, our app transcends mere data collection. It's a dynamic tool designed to foster accountability, ensure compliance, and enhance operational efficiency. Let's now don the hats of program managers or executives. With this perspective, we appreciate the integrated dashboards we have at our disposal. Remember, our ultimate aim in consolidating our data into this singular hub, as previously discussed, is to establish a one-stop source of truth for all program management tasks, program financials included. Here, we have the power to synthesize all this data. We can swiftly create charts and graphs that provide a panoramic overview, each substantiated by detailed data layers beneath. Take, for instance, our current display. It contrasts actual spending against budgets over time, all organized by the initiation dates of work orders or circuits. This visualization helps us instantly discern whether we're on budget or overspending. Further, we monitor our historical and target costs per mile, ensuring we're on track with our strategic objectives. Below, a more granulated view presents the budget versus actual costs for each specific work order or project. It's a similar perspective, but zoomed in on individual tasks. Additionally, we can examine the lengths board for cable entrenching for each work order. In the upper right, note the % of total budget feature. It allows us to probe deeper, displaying the aggregate budget for all tasks, and the proportion allocated to each. Every element here is interactive, offering a deeper dive to extract the precise insights needed, especially concerning budgetary adherence. Transitioning to the field operations dashboard, we continue in our program manager role. This view presents key metrics on project phases, counts of construction managers and contractors, and the completion status across the program. For instance, under our Naperville Utilities program, we can identify projects that are completed versus those still in the pipeline. This dashboard isn't just about surface-level data, it's a gateway to deeper analysis. Need to evaluate performance by managers or contractors, or assess timelines for each project? It's all possible here, with just a few clicks. So, there you have it. A whirlwind tour of our Vision platform. As we conclude, I'd like to highlight the essence of One Vision, its speed personified, turning deployments from months into minutes, an unparalleled feat in our domain. Its low-code structure, anchored by AWS, means not just agility, but power, a rare blend that's earned the confidence of industry leaders like T-Mobile and Samsung. It's even found unique applications in sectors like vegetation management, which TRC uses with PG&E, showcasing its adaptability. One Vision isn't just a platform, it's your catalyst for rapid, resilient, and revolutionary growth. As we part ways, consider One Vision not as an option, but as your next significant stride forward. Thank you, and here's to seizing the opportunities that lie ahead.